All right, so let's keep going. In case you haven't figured out, the homework and test manager is just a really heavy section. So you can see this one I just created is assigned. You can see its due dates. It's a homework, right? Let's see. And if I click on homework, oops, I'm sorry, I was already there. I forgot. Yes, it's the same thing. I'm on chapter 11. If I want to see all the chapters again, go all chapters. Say go. There they are. And then at the very bottom, there's that homework I just made. See, right there. Cool. Awesome. Okay, so that was one way to create homework. One way to create homework was to select the chapter you were interested in, scroll to the bottom. Oops, hold on. Actually, you could have done it in here too. Go to the sample homework, get the chapter you want, and copy this assignment right down here. These are the ones I made. These are the ones the publisher makes, right? So you can copy those. Okay. All right. Or you could go up here to create assignment. You can create a homework, right? So I clicked on create assignment, and I'm going to make 11.2 homework. Say next. And this way I get to choose what problems I want. So I can go to the chapter I want, which is chapter 11. Then I'm going to pick the section, which is 11.2. And then I can start scrolling through these numbers over here. Let me move this out of the way. These numbers over here correspond to the numbers from the textbook. So if you have a book open, you can actually see what type of problems they are, but you could also test them, right? Or excuse me, by objective, test hypotheses. I want that one, for example. Or construct and interpret, confidence intervals. Or if I just leave it all, another option I have is to preview them. So I can click preview. It's going to take it a second. There it is. Okay, so it's showing me all sorts of information, like I have one item in my homework so far. This is the first item of 9 that I have available in this whole section. This is problem number 11.2, number 3 from the textbook. Okay, so this is available for homework, tests, quizzes, study plan. This sucker is available for anything. I can say, okay, similar exercise. See how it changes as time changes. It's worth 1 point, right? I can add it, and now that's in my quiz. Then it moves to the next one. Now it's on number 2. Nope, I don't want that one. Next. Okay, let's see the icon. There we go. I can see what those look like. I can actually work the problem as a student would work it just to see, right? And then I can go, yep, let's add that one. Next. Add that one. I can change how these are scored and so on. And then I can close it. Oh, and I can see all the help menu options available over there. So I closed, and there are the questions I added. I said, oops, I added too many of those ones. Let me remove that one. Yep. And then I can click next, right? Oops, no, I wanted to change the points. Let me go back. And I want to make this one worth 3 points. You can do that, right? So you just make it worth 3 and then click next. Okay. What due date do you want? What associations do you want? All that same laundry list of stuff. Okay. I don't want a due date yet, so I'm just going to click save and assign. And now at the very bottom you can see, there it is. And it doesn't have a due date yet because I didn't assign one. If I want to go assign one later on, I can go to settings for class. See that right there? Settings for class. If I click on that and click go, it'll take me back to this laundry list page with all the settings. And I can say, oh, really, I wanted it at 12/20/10. Okay? And it puts in 11:59 by default. Save and assign. Great. Now it's all set. Cool. Okay, so that's all that. If ever I want to change the questions, go, oops, I meant to add in that other question. You go to edit, you say next, and you can add in another 11.2 question just like you did before. Say, oops, I meant to assign 15. Warning though, you cannot do that after a student has taken the assignment. If they started the assignment, you can't add or delete anything. All you can do is assign it or not assign it, and that's it. Once one person has taken it, it's all over. You just have to copy and remake a fresh assignment and turn it off for everybody else.